Contractors, today is your day. You have finally found somebody to install your contractor lights. With this customer, went with 4 on the front, 1 on the roof, and 2 on the back. We kept it very simplified. A lot of these contractors, they hate the big modules that have you do the front, do the back, or the side ones all individually. So the way we wired this up was with a simple switch. A simple switch being, you just turn off and on, you keep flicking it. This is off and on, and then you flip this one back and forth, and it'll give you your different modes. It's pretty cool. It's very simplified. It's not like those typical ones where you need a whole big computer in the middle and a bunch of extra gadgets. Uncalled for. At the HID factory, we have everything built in. All the drivers are built into each individual LED. So you don't have to have that big old school